Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So as we have promised that this week we will tribute our videos to Bikram sir.
Yes.
So we are going to start with some funny videos of Bikram sir.
Yes, and today's video is Ooja's Rajani grooms Vikram into a model. Funny scene from I.
movie, yes.
Movie name is I. So yeah, I am very much looking forward because I know I movie is blockbuster.
Yes.
It is a beautiful concept and beautiful movie, right?
Yes, and Bikram sir came into some different whatever he used to look.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So I am very much looking forward for this scene, and if you like this series, then please click on the subscribe button and
Yes.
please click on the notification bell also. So chalo, let's get started.
Yes. Okay. Oh
Is she a girl or
no, she's not
a
girl.
beauty? Okay, I understood. Yeah.
Transgender.
Where's the artist, darling?
Here, this is Mr. Lingesan.
Money.
Yes.
Juicy. Quite interesting. Hello. Mwah. Mwah. Ozma. Ozma Jasmine.
இவங்க தான் நான் சொன்ன ஸ்டைலிஸ்ட் உன் லுக்கையே கம்ப்ளீட்டா மாத்த போறாங்க
டோடா இதுதான் ஸ்டைலிஷ் ஆமாடா ஊரோரம் புளியமரம் உளுப்பி விட்டா சலசலக்கும் நான் பிறந்த மதுரையில ஆளு காலு நாட்டாமையா
They're making fun of me. I don't have to put up with this. Where did you find these goons,
கூல்
huh?
ஓகே லிங்கேசன் அவங்க ஒரு நாளைக்கு 50,000 வாங்குற லீடிங் ஸ்டைலிஸ்ட் இப்படி எல்லாம் கிண்டல் பண்ணக்கூடாது இந்த ஆட் முடிகிற வரைக்கும் அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாலும் கேட்டு ஒழுங்கா கோஆபரேட் பண்ணணும் ஓகே அப்பதான் உன்னை அழகா காட்டுவாங்க
ஓகே சாரி
It's okay. Please take off your shirt, baby. Ooh. What a body. Ow.
What a body. Definitely. His face.
Don't worry.
Great expression, sir. Just relax.
ஏய் என்னடா மேடம் என்ன பண்ண போயிட்ட
ஹேர் ஸ்டைலிங்
என்னதே கட்டிங்கா ஐயோ வேணாம் மேடம் விட்டுருங்க எனக்கு ரொம்ப புச்சா
ஏய் இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஹேர் ஸ்டைலாடா ரேஷன் கடையில வேலை செய்யற மாதிரி ஒரு தலையை வச்சின்னு
Everybody likes this kind of clumsy hair only.
ரொம்ப ராங்காதடா கமல் ஃபேன்ஸ் ரத்தம் கொடுக்குறாங்க விஜய் ஃபேன்ஸ் அரிசி கொடுக்குறாங்க தியா ஃபேன் நீ அவங்க இத்த கொடுக்க மாட்டியா
அடிங்
கட் பண்ணா இன்னும் அழகா இருப்பீங்க ப்ளீஸ்
Bus.
உட்காருங்க
Okay.
சரி
I
Shut
look
up,
after you. I know what I have to do, baby.
ஏகா தடை வந்து போது நீ புடிச்சு வெட்டுக்கா
Full clean saved.
Conceal.
Stop it. Oh, wow. You look hot and sexy. You deserve a big kiss.
கரும டச் அப் பண்ண சமயம் எச்சப் பண்ணினே இருக்குடா
பாத்துடா உன்னை உஷார் பண்ணிட்ட போது கையும் வாயும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் கூட சும்மா இருக்காது போல
That was hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, so we enjoyed it a lot. It was very funny, and you have seen iMovie, right?
Yes, I have seen iMovie.
Yes, I
and,
have seen
yes.
some glimpses of iMovie. I couldn't get that time to see the movie, but definitely I am now planning to see the iMovie
Yes.
because it is very blockbuster and very super hit, beautiful
Right.
movie. I have
And
heard
the concept
so
also,
many times.
concept wise, story wise, I
Very
like
good.
It. Yes, and
Yes,
too much
yes.
funny scenes also is there, and some romantic scenes also
Also
is
is
there.
there. So it is a good and interesting
Yes,
movie, right?
Some fight scenes are also there. So combine of everything you can see.
Yeah, complete package you can say.
Right.
So I am very much, I enjoyed this scene a lot.
Yeah.
Definitely, because that transgender lady, she was very funny, and the way she comes and she is giving like the makeover and everything.
Yeah.
The Vikram sir's expression, tremendous.
that
It
was
was like
super.
amazing. He is a fabulous actor, so
Right.
he's this expression like naturally is coming from his face, right?
Yeah, right,
And that was
true.
superb.
Yes. So yeah, that is seriously, it was a good comedy scenes,
Very,
and
yeah.
that's why we plan to give some reaction on the comedy scenes, because
Yeah.
we need to laugh at this moment.
Yeah, that is very important
Yes.
actually. Like rather than fighting scene or any emotional scene, I think it is better to give reaction on funny
Yeah.
and comedy kind of scene,
Right,
so
that's
that
right.
we can also enjoy and you guys also can enjoy. But definitely, we will not be stick onto
Right.
this
So
funny and
whenever
comedy
we get
scenes
some
only.
good comedy scenes,
Yeah,
surely we are
surely
going
we
to
will
give.
do, and also some other scenes also we will definitely
Yes.
do.
And in this scene,
Yeah.
what about actress?
Yeah, she's very beautiful actually.
She's
I think
pretty.
I think I have seen her in that
Bollywood
movie,
movies
Bollywood
also.
movies also as well. Like
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar and that movie is there, na Pakshi Rajan. What is the name of that movie? She's there, Robot.
Robot.
Yeah.
too, yeah.
So that she's a very good actor. I think her voice is dubbed. I'm not sure the way she was speaking. I think her voice is dubbed.
Okay.
Like the way she was
Maybe,
talking,
I'm not
maybe
sure.
because I thought so. I don't know, but yeah, Vikram sir's physique and everything. Anybody can tell. Wow, what a body!
Right.
Not only
Seriously.
that lady, or not only anyone. Like we also were like,
Seriously,
wow.
at this age also, it's maintaining that good
Ah.
physique. It's seriously hats off.
Very well maintained body and physique, everything. Like for
Yeah.
the sake of the movie also they work out a lot, right?
yes.
And also he's a very fit actor.
Right.
We saw like somewhere we read that he is 54 years old,
Yeah.
but it is not looking like that. Like
Yes.
definitely
At 54 years of age,
He's very
maintaining
fit.
so much better body.
better body.
At
Definitely
this
at this
we
age
are
also.
also not able to maintain anything.
Correct. Yes. So that is the talent and everything, that you have to be fit and you have to express yourself a lot,
Yes.
like for the movie, for the
Right.
sake of the movie, and acting skill, no question about
And of
it.
course, for this movie also, we have heard somebody was saying that he has to lose a lot of weights.
Oh, okay. To get
Yes.
that physique, I have
Right.
seen that he is a very
Not for physique
well
also, but
maintained and
I
everything.
think some other scene is there for that only. They
okay,
were
okay,
saying.
okay.
So yeah.
That is very great actually, because for the sake of movie, actors
So
have
I think
to do
for
a lot of
for
things.
becoming like that monster kind of scene, he
Okay,
has to
for that
lose a lot of body weight also.
body weight also. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, that is needed actually, and yeah, I really like this performance. The whole clip, I really enjoyed it. And what about you?
Yes,
You
of
also
course.
enjoyed, right?
Picturization was
Everything.
good.
Picturization.
And the transgender's expression,
Appearance. His
her expression
expression.
was also
Truly
super.
amazing. So firstly I thought that she is Bobby Darling. Bobby Darling is a famous transgender in Bollywood, I thought,
I think
but she's not.
Here also her name is Bobby something, I think.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Maybe. But yeah, everyone's expression was like truly amazing, and the execution, the whole concept, the whole scene, execution of the scene was like brilliant.
Yes.
Because it is a blockbuster movie, so it should be.
Yeah, right.
The scene and everything should be as perfect as possible. So I really enjoyed it. We really enjoyed it, and I really hope that you will guys also enjoy it a lot. Okay, and yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today's video.
So the first comment for today is from Kevin Saj. He is saying that Tere Naam is a remake of Vikram's movie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we also got to know that. So Tere Naam
I
is the
actually
remake
at the
movie.
time of the video was going on, I already told that I
Yes.
think Tere Naam like is the remake of that movie. I didn't
Right,
know
right.
the name of the movie, but yeah, it was looking similar.
Yes.
And yeah,
Similar
that is very
expression
good
and
actually.
Similar kind of body
Structure and everything,
yes.
appearance
That's what
and
the
everything.
appearance
So it was looking very similar. So
Yes.
that's why I told. And yeah, it is very good thing that Tere Naam is a remake of Vikram's movie. By
Yes.
that movie only we got to
Also, of
see
course,
Tere Naam.
we haven't seen that movie, but we have seen Tere Naam.
Tere Naam we have
was a
seen it. It was
for
blockbuster.
in Bollywood, right?
Yeah. In Bollywood, it is a blockbuster. So I can definitely understand that Bikram's movie should be, on top of the blockbuster thing. So definitely we are looking forward to see the original movie. And thank you so much for letting us know this thing.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching our videos also. So the next comment is from Rajashekar Reddy Vami Reddy, and he's telling that, Madam, your voice is so beautiful. Please, you will sing any Vijay Talapati song in next vlog. I am music lover. I am student from Europe, but I am waiting your reactions, please, madam.
Okay.
Okay, surely.
That's
Thank you
really
so
good.
much. Thank you so much for the compliment. Yeah, I really like to sing, and it was a quite bit difficult thing to sing in a different language. But for your support, for your love and
Yes.
everything, I'm also thinking to sing another another Vijay sir's, Talapati sir's, video, so that I have to learn a little bit of Tamil language, so that I can pronounce it in a better way. And yeah, I am very glad to know that you are I think commenting from Europe, right? You are staying at Europe, or what it is like?
I think he's studying in Europe.
Starting in Europe.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that is very good actually. And how's the condition in Europe? Let us know, and take care of your family also as well. Take care of yourself also. So thank you for commenting on our video.
So the next comment is from Dilip Kumar. He is commenting on Bikram birthday special Mashup 2020. He is saying that Bikram is the best and pride of Indian cinema. He has fan followers all over India. In all the state, his movies are released in many languages. He is hard worker and one of the best actor in India. He reduces his weight for each character in all movies.
Yeah, that is very great actually.
Right.
That is the true sign of an actor. I have seen, I think, Vikram sir in some of couple of the Bollywood movies also as well. I think he has done, right? And from there only I got to know, and when I start doing this YouTube thing, then only I also got to know more about Vikram sir, and I got mesmerized, like his physique, his
Right.
way of appearance, his acting
Appearance,
skill,
and also
all are marvelous.
His looks is also superb.
Superb. He's the facial expression and everything is like on point. Okay, no question. And yeah, he reduced his weight for each and every character in all movies. You are definitely
actually,
correct.
According to the movie, he maintained his physics.
Yes. So yeah, he is the best and pride of Indian cinema. That is definitely true, and we are also very proud of Vikram
right.
sir. He is the best. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Dilip Kumar, for watching our videos and for commenting on our video. So that's all are the 3 comments for today's video. I really hope that you will like this content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please click on the like button, and also please share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.